So, welcome to my very first stream. It's Forex London session, and I want to share my analysis, or better say, I want to do a live analysis for you on some pairs. GBP, US dollar is the first one, and you see here, this will be the pairs. I'm not trading all of the pairs, but I'm kinda interested over time in this pairs, so I just do mostly on all of them analysis. I know, don't do this, don't focus on that much pairs, it's not good, but doing analysis on them kinda helps to improve your skills. So I hope my voice is working, to be honest. Wait, let me check it on YouTube. Is it working, Mr. Question? I hope my voice is working, to be honest. Wait, let me check it. There's background noise from my PC, but I can't change it right now. I can lower my volume on here. I can do this like that. Let's see again. Yeah, sound is better. I can't change it right now. I can lower my volume on here. Is this now better? I guess that's better, right? Yeah, that sounds good. So now let's start with the analysis. This is my very first stream after a long time on this channel, especially. So sorry for that, but now we are ready to start with GBP US dollar. What do I see here? I see here a big resistant area. Here was also the resistant area respected. About that, because the wick is ending here, so this area will probably now be used as the support zone. Here's also an area, but this is not important right now. Obviously here is also an area. I do, by the way, a top-down analysis, so I start with the 1 day time frame and then go down to 4 hours, and yeah, I don't really use 1 hour for a longer term investment for day trading. So okay, it seems to be here in a consolidation phase on a daily, like that here, yeah. So yeah, it seems like it is a bullish rectangle, so it will probably bounce a while up and down and then break this area, hopefully a retest here, and then go down. Dude, I hate this too sometimes. So now let's check the hourly time frame out. Yeah, here is clearly and support, a resistant area, and now it's a support zone. probably. It was also respected back here, so it is pretty relevant on this time frame. So it will probably go something like that. Respect this. Then maybe like that. Check also the hourly time frame. And yeah, there is another resistant area. Here was it a support area. So this is quite important. It will probably break through it and later on eventually go up. So I would do it something like that, waiting until it breaks this resistant area, and after the retest, so somewhere here, I would enter a long position with a tight stop loss, let's say to this golden zone. It's a great risk reward ratio, so a pretty safe bet. It will probably bounce here on this level down again, or it will break up and continue being bullish, but I'm not that long-term trader, so this doesn't matter for my strategy. So let's add here an alert. Great. So the next step is Eur US Dollar. I already did something here, but I thought I removed it because obviously I want to do it live again. So as you can see here was a bullish rectangle and it was respected. It got up and formed another bullish rectangle, or a falling wedge depending on how you see it. And here it's definitely a falling wedge. So when we use this, damn, why is this so thick? So that's better. So it's a falling wedge forming right here. So it probably would go like something like that, and then here eventually break up, confirm, and continue being bullish. So I would wait on a daily frame and you will enter in a long-term trade here for a confirmation, and then add here a buy trade. But we are using the daily frame only for defining the trend currently, so it's currently in a downtrend. I would use it to make here a short position. It's against the trend, I know, but that's the style of my trading. So it forming lower lows and lower highs. Oh damn, we forgot important areas here. So this was the highest high recently, so it probably will be a resistance that needs to be breakthrough. Here is obviously important support zone. You see it here as well. It was again respected, so we can count on it, kind of. Here as well. On the 4 hours time frame. This zone is respected as well. The Bollinger Bands are telling the same story, so we can kinda rely on it. Here was the impulse move, but this is not important anymore. Here was another kinda impulse move on the 4-hour time frame. Here's a golden zone, and as you can see, it was respected here, the golden zone, so it will probably play a little bit around here in this range. This would be a double top, so it could go bearish down to this area, or it could break it through and go to our minus 61 level. Damn, I really hate this tool sometimes. Okay. Let's. I cannot mute it right now. So yeah, let's go to the hourly time frame. Yes, I probably think it will be bullish, but how I said, it could also go down, so I wait here for a retest, and I add here a lot with boy EU, and if it breaks this zone here, then I would sell EU. So that's it for Eur US Dollar. You probably can leave it as it is. Now to Ethereum. Ethereum is being bullish for a while now. I expect a drop in early time, but I could be wrong. Here you see a kinda rejection, so we can assume that here could be a zone, a resistance zone. Here is definitely a resistance zone and change to a support zone. Here as well, kind of, but it's not that important. So it on a daily time frame, it could range here a little bit or break through it and go even more bullish. So if it is here and do a retest, I would enter a long if you're a long-term trader. But on the 4-hour time frame, it's here clearly maybe an important zone. Here see a major push. So yeah, it could go something like that, and if it retests right here, then I would enter a long position until this point, or you can enter it if it goes down to the golden zone and respect it here with the confirmation. So I add 2 alerts, boy ETH, and here you can scale in after a confirmation and boy more ETH. Yeah. So now BTC. Dude, I removed all drawings yesterday, but it seems to be trash. So here is really clearly a zone that is respected well here as well. Yep, it's obviously forming higher highs and higher lows. Except of here, it could be a falling wedge and continue being bullish. It probably will because it's Bitcoin. Yeah, so this for our time frame. We see here a major move. So if you are investing short term, you could wait until it breaks here through and retest this 0%, then entry until probably here with a small stop loss. It will be 1 to 5 reward ratio, but you can also wait until it goes down and respect this golden zone again, then setting the stop loss to this bottom golden zone, and it would be a 6 reward ratio. So a pretty good trade it would be. See here, this 0% zone is respected 3 times, so it could break through. Have an eye on it. I set here a lot. Buy BTC, and here I definitely would buy. So now go to gold. As you can see, it's a falling wedge again on the daily time frame. So it probably will someday break through it and continue being bullish until probably this point, and then it will maybe reverse and maybe it will break through it and being even more bullish. We don't know. Here was a support zone on this small bullish rectangle, and here was a double bottom, so it's a pretty heavy zone that probably will be respected, so it could really break here through and go bullish on long term. And on 4H time frame, you can see here a little zone, and this as well, it was respected multiple times here, so it broke through this resistance, but it was a fake out, and now it's again out. So yeah, it's probably ready to break out of this consolidation area and continue being bullish. Let's add a Fibonacci right here. So as you can see, I would add it until here once it breaks through this area. So let's make here a buy gold. So it would be when you enter here after a retest, if you want to, then you would get probably a risky 3 reward ratio, but it would be risky. And if you wait until here, then you would got a 1 to 7 to risk reward ratio. So it's up to you where you enter. Obviously it's up to you. So now to TJ. On a daily, it's again forming a bullish rectangle, probably. So it will probably continue being bullish. On a 4H time frame, you see here a support zone was respected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times, so it's very valid. And this zone was respected in the past 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 times, 12 times. So it's also pretty valid. And this zone as well, as you see. So I would wait until it's here out of the consolidation area. It's kind of breaking out already, so it probably will either rebounds here or retest here and then continue being bullish. Yeah, I believe so. So I would add here on this major move my Fibonacci and use it to define the take profit, which would be here on the -61% area. That would be if you would enter here on the retest and make your stop loss to here under the area. It would be a 4.4 risk reward ratio, what is pretty great. And if it goes down and you wait here on a retest of this support area, then I shouldn't mute my channel. So yeah, you would got also a 4 reward ratio or a 6. So it's again up to you. I would wait here for a retest. It's not that good profit, but it's safer, whatever safe means. So here you see the Australian US dollar. Again a bullish rectangle probably. Bullish rectangles are everywhere nowadays. So you see here some major zones respected multiple times. Down on the 4H time frame. See here a consolidation area in the big consolidation area, so it will probably bounce here off and then go here, then maybe again up. I don't really know. I wouldn't enter here anything. I would maybe enter here after you see it respected this resistant area. I would maybe make a short until here to the bottom. Could also make a Fibonacci here and take it to the -61, but I would take it to the 100% area in a short position. So from here with a stop loss on just above the zone and take profit to somewhere here. It would be a 3 reward ratio if you believe that it goes up. I'm really not sure on this one, but I would wait here for a retest, so you would probably get a really small risk reward ratio. 1.8, it's kind of okay. So yeah, I'm out of this trade. I maybe scalp it a little bit after a breakout. So here you see on US 30 you see it's pretty bullish. Here was it retested twice. So let's go to the 4H time frame. And as you can see, here is the consolidation area. It could go down again, and already it did formed a triple bottom. So it probably will break through this area and continue being bullish as I predicted it here. I used here the Fibonacci tool. So when you enter here on the retest, you would got a 2.3 risk reward ratio. If you wait until the golden zone retest, what probably won't happen in my opinion, then you could get a nice 5 risk reward ratio. So a pretty solid trade on US 30. So let's go to US 100, the last pair for today. It's obviously bullish as well. Had here a little dab with a double top, double button, respected the resistor, the support multiple times. Here you see a double top on the daily, so it probably will go down to this zone. On the 4H time frame, we can use this major move for a Fibonacci. So here it retested the golden zone and it respected it, so I would go in right here into a buy position until this point with the stop loss just like here. So it would be a 3 risk reward ratio. You can make the stop loss obviously smaller, so it would be a maximum 7 risk reward ratio. It's a pretty good trade. If you want to be safe, you can make it only to the last highest high, and it would be still a 3 risk reward ratio, so it's basically a no-brainer in my opinion. So yeah, that was the analysis of my pairs. You can find the video obviously on YouTube. I mean, if you watch it now, then you wasn't in the stream, so you obviously found it on YouTube. I hope it's still worth it for you and you are not too late. Just tell me your opinion on this analysis in the comments, and make sure to subscribe. This channel is completely free. You can also get into our great WhatsApp group community completely for free. There's no advertisement and nothing. You can also buy some one-to-one lessons with me. I can teach you my strategy. My strategy is a combination of multiple strategies, including the jackpot strategy, Fibonacci usage, price action, and fundamental analysis, including chart patterns. It's a really big part of my strategy. So if you want to learn more about it, or just generally some basics about analysis, I can teach you that in one-to-one sessions. I charge only 20 bucks per hour, so it's really pretty cheap. You probably won't find it somewhere cheaper. I do also sell signals, but I prefer to sell you signals after you talk a session with me. So it would be like that. You buy some hours with me. Maybe you need one, maybe you need more. It's completely up to you and how your knowledge is so far. And then I will add you on top for completely free, no extra charge, for 1 month into my Signal channel, where I also share my analysis daily. So you don't see this only once a week, but daily. So yeah, just join, and you can of course like subscribe for longer times. I only charge like after this 1 month 15 bucks per month. So after taxes, it's really just 10 months profit for me. I really just charge something because I feel like it's work, obviously, and completely free wouldn't be like good. Nobody works for free, obviously. But yeah, keep in mind, I don't consider me as a professional trader. I just share my mind and my strategy. What works for me may or may not work for you as well. So keep this in mind. You can lose all your money in no time, as well as flip your accounts. So it's still risk, you know. I did errors, I did failures, I failed multiple times, and I want to share it with you so you don't have to make the same mistakes as me. And maybe it helps you and maybe not. And at the end, it's just 20 bucks, so you have almost nothing to lose. Just go in the description, there is a link. One of the first links is a link to my Fiverr, and there you can book it. I do it in that way. I am also working on a website for it, but it's not done yet. So yeah, for now we use Fiverr or Upwork, whatever you want. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the stream or the video. Again, make sure to subscribe me, because when you are here until now, then it means, guess what? if you like this video. So subscribe, like, it really don't cost you anything, but it would really help me and the algorithms to grow this channel and to share the knowledge with other people as soon as possible. That's me, that was my analysis. Peace out, have a nice day and make some profit.